I'm from Berlin. I'm the chef today. We'll just make some German food.
What do you do?
For the start, we make something simple. It's called Paprikaschoten. Paprika with meat inside.
What are the ingredients for today?
First, we have meat, pork, and cow. Sugar. We have a bit rice. Yeah. Onions. Potatoes, of course. It's a really famous thing in Germany, but it's not coming from Germany. Everyone is having an idea where is it coming from?
Portugal?
Coming from China.
Oh, from China.
Yeah, 200 years ago, Germans were not eating potatoes. Germans were just eating bread. And we were liking it, and today is no way to think no potatoes. Rice is not so much. Noodles, can be, but potatoes are really important. The most important is they are called festkochend. They still have a hard consistency, so they are not getting soft.
Okay.
You use soft potatoes for mashed potatoes, for example. So, paprika, I was choosing red one and green. A lot of people, they like more the red one because it's more sweet. As more color they have, as sweeter they are. I like green. It's a bit bitter. It's even more tasty, but it's my opinion. You will take your choice a bit later. So, because we were making it easy today, we are buying the tomato sauce. We are not making it by ourselves. This would be a long walk. So you just need some tomatoes. You can buy this passierte Tomaten, it's called in German. Yeah. I was choosing this from Barilla. It's arrabbiata. It's a bit spicy. Had to be a bit spicy.
I like spice.
That's great.
I heard that Germans don't like spiced food.
This is a lie.
I'm happy to hear that.
I know a lot of people that they like spicy, and I like spicy.
So the sugar is probably to maybe cut the acid a little bit of the tomato?
Yes, for every good food or sauce, it's a small trick to put just a bit sugar.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Sam and Josh, be keen.
First, we take this. We are just cutting it like this. We take all the white out because the white is the bitter.
Okay. So Thomas, you love cooking.
Yes, my mom was cooking really good. It was all the time so good that I was promising myself I have to keep these things.
Yes.
A lot of insights.
Yeah.
Josh, please, you have to wash them for me.
Sure.
And what can you say is the German food? What do they like to eat most? Like, what is the main food for Germans?
The main food for Germans, I don't think that it's really one thing that is everywhere like the head food, but we like meat. Germany is a meat country. We eat every kind of meat. I know some nations are not eating cow or they're not eating pork. Germans are eating everything.
Mostly pork, I would say, though. It seems like most, I would say, is predominantly usually something pork.
Usually we buy meat and then we cook around. What am I doing with chicken? I make rice, and which vegetable I make with this, or I make paprikaschoten, and of course we cook around. We are not a vegetarian nation. There are a lot, of course, here too, but me not.
Okay.
We make the meat, so we just put it in. This time I make 3.
How much meat are you using for 3 paprika?
Yeah, it's around 500 grams. For 3, we need maximum 2 of onion. There are a lot of tricks.
Like doing it underwater. Because it's the gas.
I know a funny one, but no one had to look to me. You have to take out the tongue. It's good because I'm now on the TV. This thing from the onion is going in the next wet thing. It's your eye.
Yeah, so you want the tongue to be...
If you put the tongue out, after this your tongue is a bit
that is smart.
Crazy. You just make them small.
So approximately how long does it take to cook this meal?
If you're good and fast, you have already in 1 hour. until you're eating. The table is ready now. You put them in. So we have the onion. Now for these 2 big spoons, let's say a bit more. Of course, salt, some pepper. We mix it.
You mix it.
Of course, we have to put a bit more salt, please. Yes, this is.
It's very interesting for me to mix the meat with the rice.
Yeah, this is first time also for me.
Yes.
Yeah, this is a trick because you don't put rice, the meat will get hard inside. It will be really hard. So like a meatball. If you put rice, you will see a bit later, it's making the meat a bit softer and you can cut it better. You can make it without rice, but today we make it with rice. You just put it inside. This is a bit too much meat, but...
Is this food from East or West Germany?
Oh, it's from both.
Okay.
Yeah, but the problem in East Germany, I was growing up in East Germany, you could buy everything. Yeah, a lot of people, they say, in East Germany they were not having enough food or something. This is not true. But you could not get everything in every season.
Okay.
So you had maybe 3 times in the year you could find paprika in a supermarket.
Yeah.
So my mama was running and was saying, they have paprika in the supermarket. We were knowing, today it will be paprika. Today you can make this every season.
What do you think about the yellow and the orange paprika?
Yellow for me is not having any taste.
Yeah.
I don't know. And orange, I don't know.
But you can still mix with them, yeah?
Yes, of course. It's a really nice colored food.
Yeah, color.
Yeah, if you want to surprise one, a red one, a green one, an orange one, and then you present it on the table and they say, wow, so it's colorful.
Yeah.
But if I could choose, then I would take the green, and you will see a lot of people take the red.
I think I take the green.
Yes.
I like them raw too, like this.
Yeah.
We put them on fire.
Okay.
We take a bit oil and we just put them with the meat
Oh, upside down. Okay.
So this we make a bit later.
Why you have to put them like that, upside down?
The meat is not coming out anymore.
Okay.
We close.
Yeah.
We close the entrance.
Okay.
You can turn a bit just to get a bit taste from the paprika.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
Just a bit more. Fill them the half. We cover it, stay 40 minutes. When it's boiling, the water, we put the meatballs. So, next are the potatoes. The most difficult, we have to take the skin out. Son, can you give me this small stuff there?
And you don't have to cut the potatoes in half, yeah?
You can make it, maybe the big one. As more as you're cutting them, as more they lose the taste.
Interesting.
Potatoes are ready, we wash them.
And Thomas, which country's food do you like the most?
Of course, German.
Other than German?
Yeah, I like all the Asian food.
Okay.
So the Indian, Vietnam, Bangladesh, I have to know what's going on there. Yeah, Japanese, this I really like, they make it good with a lot of vegetable, spicy. Yeah. Some salt. Just put them now
Switch on.
I have to, we just put them in here too. And after 20 minutes, we turn them.
And the fire, you have to be careful with the fire, like...
Boiling, but they are not overflowing.
Medium heat now.
Medium, yeah?
Our paprika was inside now
Yes.
40 minutes. Yeah. Don't make them too long, because if you make them too long, the paprika is vanishing. Then we take this, the tomato sauce. You take a half of this for 3, let's say. How spicy you like? You like spicy both? Yes. This and make it together. Sugar, big one.
Oh.
Put them back. A lot of different colors now. Yeah, a yellow one, orange one, and you put this on the table. It looks great. Who wants to test the red one, and who wants to taste the green?
The green one.
I want the green.
Red is fine.
Of course, you can put a bit pepper and some salt. First of all, a small trick. Germans like to make this small, then we push it in the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Then
Maybe we can try
Yeah.
yeah, of course.
the potatoes.
Yeah,
In sauce?
then it's taking the sauce.
Yeah. It is good. Really good. No, the dish looks really colorful and full of flavors.
Yeah.
So this is first time I'm trying this.
Yeah.
And
And you like it?
yeah, I like it so much.
Joshua?
Really good.
Yeah.
I've only tried the potatoes in the sauce, but the potatoes with the sauce are good.
Like full of flavors.
And it's a little
Wow.
spicy.
Yeah.
Me, it's just a little bit.
Okay.
But you can taste it.
Also, this is the first time you're testing paprikaschoten.
I mean, like there are kind of like Italian variation where it's like more rice, stuffed peppers. But the first time like this, yeah, I've had it mostly like baked in the oven. So to do it on the stove in the oil and in the water is different.
I'm always interested. I started with Bavarian dishes.
Oh,
I mean, when you come to Germany, it's the most popular people talk about.
Yeah, Bavarian, they are eating a lot of meat too. Yeah.